afternoon, folks. My name is Michael Mara. I'm coming to you from the Back Bay in Somers Point, New Jersey. We're out here on our new 36 Aviara. Very exciting brand. There's 36 feet of innovation right here I'm going to take you through. We're going to start in the bow. You can see the expansive space that we have. The side entry, wraparound seating. We have 8 cup holders up front. A remote for your stereo sitting right there. And we have the built-in speakers up here as well. Storage underneath all the seats. And you have a nice amplifier here, subwoofer here as well. So up front over here, you can see the windlass system that Aviara uses. It's very beefy. It's a Ilmor system. You have a remote control right here. You have your safety rope. It's a very good system. And then you also have a washdown sitting here as well. Aviara likes using these big beefy cleats that recess back and forth. This gives you extra stability at the dock when you tie up for the evening or the day. Stepping back, let's go to the helm. In the helm here, Aviara uses a ton of innovation in their boat. This screen alone, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's all the brains of your boat. You have all your switches. This is your stereo, your lighting throughout. You can pick any color under the rainbow. Your water systems and all your user settings, your management, all the other stuff is in this system. You have a SIMRAD right here. This gives you your chart. I have my chart and my depth finder on right now, but there's a number of other applications you can use for this. Then you have this SIMRAD is designated for your engine readouts, which is nice. Everything's heads up, it's right in front of you. Again, this boat is about as user-friendly as you can get. Coupled with the new Mercury throttle system, push button start, active trim, everything's right here, right in this new system that we have. This boat also is equipped with Lenco auto trim. Right now I have it set on auto. Trim tabs do everything for you. At the moment, we have the boat in skyhook, so the boat's not moving. The camera's going to show you the engines kind of working and doing their thing. So we are sitting still, and it's probably around 15 to 20 mile an hour winds today, and we're not moving at all. But in this system here is your autopilot and your skyhook. Then you have your VHF and a nice safe spot right here. Bolstered seats. Now down here we have our covers sitting here right now. But you can see you have a nice place to rest your head if need be. And there's a huge head in there, along with a TV and a microwave convection. So one of the nicest things I like about Aviara is the utilization of space that they use. Let's just take this for instance. You have a whole area under here. You pull this out. You have an Aviara branded cooler. Same technology is similar to a Yeti. Also, you have the same. You have some storage right there. More storage in here. Everything right here is storage. And you can see how deep it is. You turn around, you have a single refrigerator right here, wet bar, and cooktop grill. Now I want to show you guys something one of my favorite parts, getting back to the storage end of it. Look at all that storage you have in the end in this hatch. You could put bicycles, mats, coolers, tables, chairs, anything you need for the beach, anything you need for a sandbar, or anything you just need to be out on the water for the day will easily fit in that one compartment. I'm going to lower this and I'm going to show you guys the stadium seating that Aviara puts on the boat. So back here you have stadium seating. So these come up, all 3 of them. So you can sit 6 people across the back here. So So when you're on a hook or at the dock or on an anchor or at a sandbar, you can literally sit 6 people facing aft, which is a nice part of this, the whole layout of this boat. Another nice feature that Aviara uses is this material is called Cool Touch. No matter how hot it is, on the hottest day of the summer, this stuff will not get hot. It stays cold. And again, innovative, the technology that Aviara puts into these boats, all the models from 32 all the way up to 40, surpasses anything else in its segment. If you have any more questions about this boat, please reach out to us at 609-926-0600. And again, my name is Michael Mara. I look forward to seeing you on the water. Have a great day.